Ngayon sinabi kanina ni Lenny Jesus, throw some punches, we're losing this fight.
Exactly, and if this goes to the scorecard, it's going to be clearly Pacquiao's fight. He's the one throwing more punches, being more active. Even though it seems that Claudio's blocking it all, but he's not throwing anything.
It's just simple watching Manny Pacquiao do his thing. Ginagawa siyang punching bag.
Madudulas na nga.
Yeah, finally, yan ang dapat.
Well, he's stepping into Manny Pacquiao's defense now. And that's what Claudio needs to do.
That's what Manny wants him to do.
Right. Well, Manny needs to show that side-to-side movement. Once Claudio moves in, then Manny can find his angles.
Claudio lands with a jab.
Manny looks like he's trying to still look for an opening in this defense that Claudio puts up.
Hinahanap ni Manny opening. Hirapan naman ang opening nito.
Hindi siya makakahanap ng opening kung harap-harapan.
Pinasusuntok ni Buboy sa balikat.